How's it going, everyone? The Keychron Q1 has been the easiest keyboard to mod for me yet. After opening up the Q1, I noticed that they added more foam to help dampen the sound of the ping on the case. And while it did help with the sound, it made a very firm typing experience. To make this experience better, I added 2 pieces of paper towels and 2 layers of tape for the Tempest Tape Mod. The switches that I use for this build is a Frankenswitch I would call the CreamWICKS. They are composed of JWICK black housings, a cream stem, and KTT 3-stage springs. From this clip, you will see all the space that I freed up after taking out the foam. This by far is one of my favorite keyboards, and I hope to make an elaborate video soon. Until next time.